Good day everyone. Welcome to my third class on parallel lines. Now today we're going to examine the second angle formed in the parallel line, which is corresponding angle. Corresponding angle. Now, how do we identify corresponding angle when you have parallel line? Now, there are two parallel lines. Now, how do I know that these lines are parallel? There is this line here, an arrow showing that this line is parallel to this line. Alright? And there is a transversal line. Unlike alternate angle, that the extension does not matter to us. You can see we are dealing with inside. In corresponding angle, this extension is needed such that there must be an angle outside and an angle inside. Now the first thing about corresponding angle is that the two angles must always face the same direction. So if here is A, here too must be A because they are corresponding angle. Another thing is this: one angle will be outside and the other angle inside. So once these two criteria are met, then the two angles are corresponding angle. Now coming to this side, that means I'll be taking the angle here. Let's say the angle here is B, then this place also must be B. Now let's come down. There is an extension. The moment there is an extension, we can take this, let's call here C and call here C. An angle outside and the other inside, and they must face the same side. The moment they are not facing the same side, they become alternate angle. Alright, so we can take here, let's call here E and call here also E. Now let's have an example. We have this and there is a transversal line. They call this place 70 degree and we are asked to find this place. Alright, when you examine this, you realize that number one, they are both facing the same direction, right hand and right hand. Secondly, one angle is outside and the other is inside, so which means that our B here is 70 degree. Now, if here happens to be 70 degree and we are asked to find, let's say here, okay, one is inside and the other is outside, facing the same direction. So we say that this place is 70